Walla! Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
An entire metro stop named after this little man. I don't know if that's true. It's probably just coincidence. Yeah. So this is part of the Royal Navy, the ship. It was part of the Second World War and served in the Battle of the Atlantic, and we're gonna see if we can get in. It says it's open Sunday and Monday only, starting at 11, and we happen to be here about 10 to 11, so I don't see why not. Looks pretty neat. Do you want to walk towards the giant column? Are you a sphinx? Hey, I'm talking to you. That's interesting. So all of these marks on here were caused by bombing in 1917. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to climb one of these lines and pretend it's a battle cat?
The crowds make me less inclined to do that.
Yeah.
But I can enjoy it from afar.
How do you like Trafalgar Square? I see a Pikachu dancing over there. Yeah, there's a Pikachu right at the top of the stairs.
As there should be.
Don't get too close, he might peek at you. Good lord, you're gonna have to bleep out all the music.
Yeah, yeah. Tell the sound on this
I think you forgot the words in the end. But now that Wonderwall stopped, all I can hear is...
This is the good news, it's the great news.
It's not good news. If you just weren't an asshole, maybe people would listen to you. Should we be afraid of it blowing up?
Definitely.
The front of this is beautiful too, eh? I don't know what it is, but I like it. Wine merchants, oh. So this is Hyde Park, and over there is Buckingham Palace. This, I don't think it needs any type of introduction. But where are we?
The palace. What up, Buckingham Palace?
Hey, it's Canada Pillar. Yeah, I thought I would. And then maybe some of these flags. That's pretty cool. Are those your tear ducts?
Those might be tear ducts.
Whoa, hello.
This guy's photobomb.
This is like a horror movie. Don't say we don't film birds for you, Ma. I got pooped on 4 times this trip filming birds for Ma. I think this might make it 5 or 6. Oh, good lord, it's scary.
What up, Buckcraft?
I laughed because that sounded like butt crack. What up 97 on rate beer, which is probably a reference we just don't get.